Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It seems like this last couple of days we've been talking about everything Ram off-road, and today's no exception. We're going to talk about the newest Ram off-road vehicle. This is the Mopar 25 Ram 1500 RHO. Now, this every year, let's put it this way, every year Mopar does like a special edition, limited edition vehicle. And this year they just so happened to pick the Ram 1500 RHO as their vehicle. They've been doing this since 2011. They started out with the Charger, and it seemed like they were doing Charger, Challenger 300s for a while. Then they did, they got into Ram trucks. They did one Jeep so far. So it's been kind of like all over the place. But this year, Ram 1500 RHO is the vehicle that they chose. Now, they released a very basic image of a front and rear shot of the vehicle. And they gave us kind of a description of all the content that comes in these vehicles. But the weird thing is they've already showed this vehicle off before. If we go back to 2024 at the SEMA Show, they actually showed us this truck as the Moparized, that's what they call it, the Moparized 2025 Ram 1500 RHO concept. Now, the only difference between the concept truck that was shown at SEMA versus the one that we're getting in production is that if you look close at this picture here, you'll notice that the paint has like a matte finish to it. And obviously, they're not going to put a matte paint on the truck. So we're getting just it's still diamond black, but we're getting a clear coat finish. So same graphics, same everything. Blue, the Mopar blue tow hooks, the same hood package graphics, all that. Blacked out beadlock wheels. That's all going to come back. It's just, it's going to be a clear coat finish instead of a matte. You can also see that the concept vehicle also had these aftermarket LED lights. Those won't be coming as well. So if you're hoping for those, nope, you have to buy those yourself. But you still get the Ram bar. You still get the extra tire carrier in the back of the box and stuff like that. And if you wanted to look at the hood graphic, we got it right here. So all this stuff is pretty much the same. Again, if you look at the back of the truck, it looks really cool, especially with this matte finish. But we're not getting the matte finish. We are actually getting the just a clear coat. So, but it looks really good nonetheless. So we're getting the same running boards. Everything is coming with this truck that we've seen on the concept. We can go through this video here too that Mopar released of the concept. They haven't released any actual shots of the truck, but again, this is in the matte finish, so it kind of looks a little different. But nonetheless, you kind of get an idea of what the truck's going to look like. So for basically, if you're wondering about this package, it's a Ram 1500 RHO, but it has the level 1 equipment package. So basically, it's a fully loaded Ram 1500 RHO. That means you get 14.5-inch Uconnect system. You get a 19-speaker, 900-watt Harman Kardon sound system. You get front ventilated and heated seats with massage. The back seats are heated and vented. I mean, it's fully loaded, hands-free driving. It's got pretty much everything, So that's an additional $10,000 onto the standard RHO. The Mopar package, so with the graphics and everything, is basically $6,500 US. So when you actually look at the pricing of the truck, it's basically comes out to about $88,000 US is what people are going to be paying for if they want this truck. If you're a Canadian, the truck will be coming to Canada, and it's only going to be coming to Canada in 25 units. For the US, it's going to be basically sold for 225 units, so for a total of 250 units for both the US and Canada. But 225 units are being set aside for the US, 25 units for Canada. In Canada, the truck should have a price of about $113,000 Canadian. So yeah, quite a bit more, but I mean, it's still a lot of truck. Now, if you're wondering about how you're going to be able to purchase one of these trucks, the very interesting part about that is these trucks will be available through select Ram dealers. They're not telling us which Ram dealers, but select Ram dealers will get these trucks. So you're going to have to kind of go out and kind of work and do some research and find out who's going to get these trucks delivered to them. The biggest thing I can tell you is ordering is not open. They're just going to deliver them to certain dealerships, and they're going to be delivered in the spring. So I would suggest, if you're really interested in one of these trucks, to kind of call around to your local Ram dealers and see who's getting one. The dealers will already know, who's going to get one and whatnot. So if you really want one bad enough, you're going to have to call around and see. There's no horsepower locator thing for this special edition truck. So it's a very good looking truck. Looks just like the concept one. Just it's, obviously doesn't have the matte finish in it. But if you're looking for a fully loaded, kind of very unique Ram 1500 RHO, this is the truck for you. So other than that, we'll be doing a little bit more about this truck coming up on Mopar Insiders as it breaks. Obviously, when it hits dealers, we'll have stuff up on it and stuff like that. So stay tuned. Also, make sure to check out 5th Gen Rams. And if you like this video, click like and hit subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
I also forgot to mention that each of these Mopar 25 Ram 1500 RHOs will also include an exclusive owner's kit. So each buyer will receive a personalized certificate of authenticity with a serialized vehicle build number, a special vehicle rendering created by the Mopar design team, a 83-piece toolkit, and a USB cable kit with 4 charging cables for various mobile devices as well.